Well, tonight we're going to wire up the kitchen. We're going to finish wiring up the living room, and we're going to have 5 total outlets in the kitchen, 4 outlet boxes above the countertop and 1 in the bar top. But yeah, so here we go. Did 4 over the cabinet outlet boxes, double boxes. Our power running to each one. I will run my home run to the panel box from this box here. And the kitchen will be on its own circuit. Typically, I think in a kitchen, and I could be wrong, I'm not an electrician, but I believe that each wall in a kitchen needs its own circuit. But since I only have a total of 4 boxes, 5 after the bar top's in, I'm just gonna go off of 1 circuit, and I'll run that off of a ground fault circuit in the breaker box instead of having GFCI outlets out here at the kitchen. I'll probably use a couple USB outlet combos in here since we're so tight on space, and make it easier for people to charge phones and radios and run all their devices and whatnot when they come rent the place. So yeah, man, stay tuned.